Going on, everybody? So today we'll be picking up my Evo after I took it to the track yesterday. Fortunately, I'm pretty sure it has a rod knock on it, but keep it looking forward. We're gonna be taking out the motor, I'm gonna build the bottom block, and we'll be coming back. So not too upset. You know, people go through this, so you know it's about our hobby. You know, we race, we break, and we continue. Like I said, stay tuned, and the tow truck should be coming in. It's one of my buddies, so I'll see you guys later. How you guys doing? On the way to pick up the Evo. Got my boy on the tow truck. His name is Les Tow. What's your number?
56212-2506.
Yeah, just $40 in town. Anything South Jersey, you know, let them know. I'll say the number a couple of times so you guys can get it pretty good. We're on the way to pick up the Evo right now. See how this goes, alright? See you guys. Well, we got the Evo on the flatbed. She's going in. My boy here was cheap towing. So, look at that. Trust on my Evo, so. Yep, there she is. There she is. What's the towing number again, bro?
56212-2506. Everybody back home.
Yep. Yep, 856-212-2506. So, you know, he's cheap, the cheapest around in damn South Jersey, so let's get it. My baby girl's hurt. Don't worry, we're about to show you the rebuild. Coming soon. What's up, guys? What's up, Reckless fam? So, if you can take a guess, what are we doing today? Pretty much, we're pulling out this freaking engine. We're gonna try to pull it out, guys, and we're in the works of removing this engine. All right, guys. See you in a few.